Hi everybody, welcome to Big Booty's Kitchen. I'm getting ready to go to work, but today I'm going to throw in some stuffed pepper soup in my crock pot. This is a quick, easy recipe. Comes together real fast, so when you get home from work or off from running the kids, whatever, it'll be ready for you. It does cook 6 to 8 hours on low. So, got my crock pot liner in. Yeah, got the lid. I'm going to spray my crock pot liner this time. Normally I don't, but the rice in this soup sometimes will stick to the sides. So, the first thing we have is, last night, to make this easier this morning, I browned 2 pounds of ground beef. And if it'll come out, that would work great. But I did put it in the fridge, so it's kind of stuck in here. Come out, come out. So you want to chop it up as you grind, as you're browning it. And then I chopped up 1 green pepper. Now, about the green peppers. You will like this soup even if you don't like green peppers. If you don't want to even eat the green peppers or pick them out, just cut them into rings and put in here. I chopped mine. There's only 1 in here. You see there's a lot. And I'm not real big on green peppers. I like the taste of them in the soup. But if you like green peppers, you can put 2 chopped ones in it. But again, if you're like, ugh, big booty, I just don't want green peppers in there. Well, if the taste is really good, just put rings in it. When it's done cooking, pull them out and throw them away. I also have 1 medium chopped onion. I'm going to throw that in there. Now, I did this stuff last night. That way it makes it easier to get done here. Next, we have 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. You can get the ones with the oregano basil in it. I like those. But if you have just plain ones, that's fine too. You can put 2 cans in there. Then it calls for 1 28-ounce of tomato sauce. But I had 2 15-ounce cans. It's not going to hurt it. It's soup. So I'm going to put 30 ounces instead of 28. Next, you need, look at this new handy dandy thing I got from Pampered Chef. Means I don't have to have 20 different cups in here. Let's see, we're going to put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in there. It's not a lot, but it sweetens it up a little bit. Come on. I keep my brown sugar in a baggie because you can squeeze the air out of it and it makes it where it doesn't get the clumps in it. Just like that. And then it keeps it from getting the moisture in there also. So, now we need 1 cup, that was a 1/4 cup. Now we need 1 cup of rice. This is original rice. It is not instant rice. It is regular white rice. I'm sure you can use long grain, whole grain, whatever. But it can't be instant because it's going to cook in here all day. Next we need 1 teaspoon of pepper. And this is pretty handy dandy too from Pampered Chef. Yeah, one of my friends had a party, so I was excited to get these and use these on the show. So stoked. And then you're gonna do 2 teaspoons of salt. Now if you are doing the low sodium thing, you don't have to do 2. You can leave it out actually. Do some Mrs. Dash or something. Okay, after all that stuff is in there, we're going to put the love in there. Because you know, we got to have the love. You're going to stir this up. It's going to be a little thick. But you want to mix everything up. Just be careful if you're using crock pot liner. The one thing you gotta be careful of is when you're stirring, you don't poke the side. Next, so one more thing. We're gonna take 1 can of water to start, and just see where that leaves us. I think we can put 2. It actually calls for 28 ounces of water, which you just use your cans to measure out. That looks about right to make it soupy. Because you're not going to get a lot of moisture out of the meat because it's already cooked up. You might get some from the vegetables. But that rice is going to soak up a lot of that. So there's that. We're going to put our lid on it. Oh, somebody wanted me to show you what it looks like when it's in there. This is what it looks like when it's in there. So, all mixed up. Come out of there. And put your lid back on. Close it up. Set your temperature on low. 8 hours. And now, I will see you guys after work when it's time for dinner. Have a great day. Welcome back to Big Booty's Kitchen. Dinner is done. I'm home from work and we have got, ooh, that smells so good. Set this over here. Ooh, that is a thick soup, but boy does it smell good. So, this is our stuffed pepper soup. One thing I did want to tell you is, because I thought of this while I was at work, is you can use ground chicken, ground turkey, or ground beef in this. So, like if you're on a diet or you don't eat ground beef, you can use the ground chicken or the turkey. Doesn't that look delicious? You can have this. You could just use butter bread. But I have a baguette of bread that I got free from Giant Eagle. So I might take me a piece of that crusty stuff and dip it on in there. So the list of ingredients that you need are going to be listed in the description. And I hope you make this because it's starting to get cold here in Ohio. And so this makes some good soup for you. Have a great day.